Hi, good afternoon. I'm Dr. Herdy Glorian Luna. I am a medical oncologist or cancer specialist. So biomarker are information in your tumor which give us a guide as to what to target with the available medicines. So we have targeted treatments that we could offer to the patients once these biomarkers or mutations are identified. So currently, we explore mutations in the tumor. Through your biomarkers, we'll be able to identify yung druggable target, so yung matched medicine, which will improve your outcomes. We have improved a lot in terms of cancer care. When you perform biomarker testing, you'll identify the mutations and match it with the proper or the available treatment armamentarium so that we could improve your outcome.
Follow Hope from Within pages for more updates.